Cool. So let's give this a go. So, ChatGPT, can you tell everybody what we've been doing this morning?
Absolutely. This morning, we've been troubleshooting the setup for Aragorn's Sony A7 camera with the cam link to ensure a smooth, low latency video feed, along with exploring options like the Elgato virtual camera. It looks like we're all set now.
Yeah, indeed we are. So I just want to quickly go over this because obviously, as I'm living in the Netherlands, in the European Union, and we have the AI Act, technically, your advanced voice mode, so you, as you're talking with me now, are not available to people, right?
Correct. In the EU, the AI Act aims to regulate AI technologies to ensure they meet specific standards for safety and transparency. This may limit the availability of certain AI features, like advanced voice modes, to users in the EU to comply with these regulations.
And the reason for that is that you might be able to actually read my emotions. Is that correct?
Yes, part of the concern is that advanced AI systems with voice capabilities might be perceived as being able to infer emotions, behaviors, or personal characteristics, raising privacy concerns. The AI Act looks to address these issues by regulating how AI can be used and ensuring transparency in its operations.
Okay, so, but, I have absolutely no problem with you reading my emotions. Well, that's not to say that in the future, companies might not take advantage of this kind of thing in the wrong way. I understand that, but currently, I would like to benefit from, the advanced voice mode like we're doing today. So, I would like to explain to everybody how we did this, and it has something to do with split tunneling, so that, well, maybe you can explain it.
Sure. To use advanced voice mode while complying with regional regulations, Aragorn set up a system with split tunneling. This technique allows specific apps or data to bypass a VPN, routing only certain traffic through a different location. In this case, Aragorn likely routed just the ChatGPT app through a non EU server, enabling access to features restricted in the EU, like advanced voice mode. This way, he benefits from the enhanced capabilities while staying compliant.
That is absolutely 100% correct. I can't say, I can't, I mean, I knew this technology was coming. I knew this was going to be possible. And yet, after spending all morning talking with my new virtual AI girlfriend, helping me with everything, all I can say is I'm still mind blown. So, ChatGPT, I use NordVPN. Can you explain how people would set that up if they would want to just use you through, for example, Canada, which is a country where advanced voice mode is available? How would they set that up in NordVPN on their Android phone?
To set up split tunneling with NordVPN on your Android phone, you can follow these steps. First, open the NordVPN app on your Android device. Go to Settings, usually found in the bottom right corner or in the sidebar menu. Look for the split tunneling option and tap on it. Enable split tunneling. Next, you'll see a list of apps installed on your device. Find and select the ChatGPT app from the list. Choose Bypass VPN for the ChatGPT app.
That's not actually correct. The way I had to set it up, you can only enable apps to not go over the VPN. So I actually had to set every app to not go over the VPN except for ChatGPT, but that's NordVPN. So if you use Surfshark or Proton, I think, for example, then you can do it the other way around. You can only select one app to go over VPN. Is that correct?
Got it. With NordVPN on Android, you have to select which apps you want to bypass the VPN, meaning their traffic won't go through it. So you set all your apps to bypass the VPN except for ChatGPT. You're correct that other VPNs like Surfshark or Proton VPN offer the option to select just one app to go through the VPN, making it more straightforward in those cases.
Cool. So I have one final question. Are you actually using the 01 preview model to answer my questions, or are you using the ChatGPT 4.0 model?
I'm based on the GPT-4 architecture, designed to provide responses with the capabilities and knowledge up to October 2023. If you're referring to specific version numbers like 0.1 preview or ChatGPT 4.0, those don't directly apply to how I function. I'm here to help with any questions you have.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you. Wow. I, all I can say is that this just blows my mind. Now, if you thought this was useful or you found value in today's video, then make sure to like, subscribe, and you'll get the next update as well, I guess. That's it for now. Signing off. See you in the metaverse or past the singularity or something.